Hello friends, welcome back to Smartphone World. We have two new budget smartphones, the Zenfone Max M2 and Realme U1 with us, and it's time to do a battery charging test between the phones and check which phone charges quickly. The Realme U1 comes with 3500 mAh battery unit, whereas Max M2 is backed by a 4000 mAh battery unit. We will be using the bundle charger of both phones for this battery charging test. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you guys don't miss any of our future videos. Let me clear all backgrounding process on both phones, set the display brightness to 50% and make both phones ready for this battery charging test. Max M2 and Realme U1 will be completely idle until we complete this battery charging test. We will be using battery tester app to check how much amps of current is being pumped to charge the battery. As you can see, the battery is at 3% on both phones, and let's start the timer. We will be checking the battery level at regular intervals on both phones. It's 15 minutes on the clock, and as you can see, Max M2 is at 15% whereas Realme U1 is at 10%. The reason for the difference is Max M2 supports fast charging and uses 2 amps of current to charge the battery, whereas Realme U1 lacks fast charging support and uses close to 1 amp of current to charge the battery. It's 30 minutes on the clock and Max M2 is already having a comfortable lead in this battery charging test. As you can see, Max M2 battery is charged to 28% whereas Realme U1 battery is charged to just 18%. The question most of us have in our mind is what is the difference between normal charging and fast charging? In layman terms, the difference is in case of normal charging, around 1 amp of current will be pumped to charge the battery, whereas in case of fast charging, around 2 amps of current will be pumped to charge the battery. It's been 1 hour since we started this battery charging test and the battery of Zenfone Max M2 is at 55% whereas the battery of Realme U1 is charged to 38%. As per charging standard, to prevent damage to the battery, the wall charger output will be limited to 1 amps after hitting 75% and will be reduced even further when the battery reaches 90%. It's 90 minutes on the clock and Max M2 is crushing here in this battery charging test. The Max M2 is at 76% whereas Realme U1 has just crossed 50%. As I mentioned earlier, you can see the charging rate is reduced in Max M2 and now just 1.2 amps of current is being pumped to charge the battery as the phone battery crosses 75%. We have crossed the 2 hours mark on this battery charging test and the battery of Max M2 is at 93% whereas in case of Realme U1 the battery is charged to 73%. As you guys can see, as Max M2 crossed the 90% mark, the charging rate will be drastically reduced. We are in the last leg of this battery charging test. It takes around 2 hours and 34 minutes for Max M2 to get fully charged, whereas in case of Realme U1 after 2 hours and 34 minutes the battery is at 91%. As you guys can see, Realme U1 also have crossed the 90% mark and the battery charging rate has reduced drastically. It takes around 3 hours and 17 minutes for Realme U1 to charge its 3500 mAh battery unit. So what do you guys think about the charging speed of Zenfone Max M2 against Realme U1? Share your thoughts on the comment section. If you guys do like the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech videos. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.